Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about Pepe. Giving you guys my daily analysis on the price as to what is happening with Pepe, what's happening with the price of Bitcoin, and of course, what we could be expecting, as we do go further into this upcoming week. So exactly the conversation that took place yesterday in our update, there was one specific thing that I've mentioned to you guys, and that was that Bitcoin could see a shakeout due to the fact that everyone is turning bullish, and of course we're on a weekend. On the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation than usual, and we did end up seeing that because if you're looking at across the market, pretty much everything right now is down right now. Altcoins have gone down, over the past few hours, more than where they were yesterday. But let's take a look at Pepe. It's down about 0.6%. So what we can see is Pepe is not being hit that hard. So that is obviously really nice to see. If we're looking at the price, still about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 93.69, down 0.3% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative as well. You're seeing the market cap below $4 billion mark, to be exact, around 3.93 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume has gone down significantly. You are seeing that sitting above a $500 million mark, but it has gone down quite a bit over the past few days. And again, that should not be coming as a surprise to anyone right now. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So of course, if we're looking at the holder count, 220,440 holders. And again, this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. As I've said, pretty much as far as I can remember, you are seeing the holder count as soon as the bullish momentum has started in the crypto space. As far as Pepe is concerned, the holder count has been in an upwards trend. So that is obviously really, really nice to point out. But if we're looking at the total meme coins market cap combined, again, should not be a surprise to any one of you. As we are seeing majority of the market seeing a little bit of a pullback, that the entire market is going to react to that, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. 54.4 billion in terms of market valuation for the combined meme coin market. And if you're looking across the board, again, besides dog we've had as far as the top 5, top 6, largest meme coins are concerned, over the last 24 hours, majority of them are down right now. So these are some factors you cannot be forgetting. I know there's going to be some people that are just going to be solely focusing on Pepe and just completely ignore what's happening as far as the overall market goes, and that is why it's so important to learn to actually analyze the entire market structure, not just one specific coin that you like. So that's that. But let's take a further look as to what is happening with the price of Bitcoin, what's happening with the price of Pepe, and of course what we could be expecting. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance has gone up over the past few hours. We're approaching 56%, and again, this is one of the catalysts, as well as Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a pullback. We did see that resistance. We did see a little bit of a minor breakout as well, but again, rejected, a massive rejection, seeing the price of Bitcoin actually falling back down to $66,000. And of course, this is something that we cannot be forgetting. So again, it's finding itself back above to that $66,650, but we need that confirmation, that breakout. But it's setting itself for a great week ahead of itself, in my opinion. The way it's holding, the way it's closing 3 days in a row now at these levels, that is showing that we could see great times coming ahead of us, towards the upside as well. So obviously that is good to point out. But now if we're looking at Pepe, obviously that is what everyone is here for. So obviously this right here is deck screener, so we're going to extend this and take a closer look as to what's happening with Pepe's price. So if we were looking at the Pepe's price, it did actually end up going to the 89.39. Now you guys are probably wondering, if you guys are kind of confused, that's the next level of support that I was talking about. Go watch the video. I said if we were to see a shakeout, if we were to see a little bit of manipulation that could occur for Bitcoin, we will see Pepe heading towards these levels. And as a matter of fact, we retested right on that level of support. But again, look at this bounce. This bounce is what I need to be pointing out right now, because you guys can see right after that key support line was retested, you did see Pepe bounce up about 6%. And again, a 6% move is not like, 20-30% move, but this gives you that confirmation that these levels of support usually are huge buy zones. There's a lot of buying pressure around here, and levels of support usually come in as obviously a support level where you do tend to see the price either bouncing or actually staying at those levels. So this is obviously really, really nice to point out. But now that the price is actually trying to break towards the upside, we're finding ourselves once again coming across some resistance that kind of date back to March of this year. But nothing to worry about in my opinion. We are seeing what's happening with BTC. I think like I said, back over the past few days, Bitcoin is able to pop back above 68K. I am expecting that Pepe will start reaching these levels, of course, which were all-time highs. And again, as of now, if Bitcoin were to have a little bit of a shakeout, going into this upcoming week, if you did watch my video over the past 2 days, the support at this blue line right here is still in play at the 85.13. Let me say that again. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this, but let's be realistic, guys. That's a move of about 9.5% towards the downside, and I'm going to be quite honest, this is still a realistic target that you want to be keeping an eye out on. But do let me know down below what you guys think over the overall market structure. Where do you see the market going as we do go further into closing out the month, and of course going into June? I would love to know your thoughts down below. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, it goes a long way. I love you all. See you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.